Okay, so in previous class I explained the conversion of SR flip flop into JK flip flop. So right now I'll move to see these two are the conversion table, and I'll explain everything by using conversion phenomena. I'll in previous class I explained the excitation tables of SR flip flop, D flip flop, and T flip flop also. Okay, so and these are the conversion steps. So please read completely. So conversion of SR flip flop into JK flip flop I explained by using this diagram. Okay, so right now, so I'll move to next page. So I'll simply write today, I'll explain the conversion of RS flip flop into D flip flop. So conversion of RS flip flop into D flip flop. I already completed JK flip flop. Similarly, the RS flip flop is converted into D flip flop. So here RS flip flop, here the given flip flop is nothing but RS flip flop, understand? And while the required flip flop is D flip flop. Here given flip flop is RS flip flop, and required flip flop is D flip flop, understand? D flip flop. So here given flip flop is RS flip flop and required flip flop is D flip flop. So what is the block diagram? See block diagram simply. So this is actually flip flop FF conversion logic. Okay, and see we have only one input because D is only one input. So simply this is a D, nothing but data input. Okay, and simply take the combination. So here a given flip flop is a simply it is an RS flip flop. So this is called RS flip flop. Okay, and see this RS flip flop is connected to R terminal, and the output of this conversion logic is connected to R reset pin and set pin simply. And this RS flip flop is nothing but a clocked flip flop. So the clock pulse is here. So simply take the output. What are the output? The outputs are nothing but Qn, and Qn bar is the present output of this. So these are the output. And simply connected, because the conversion table means you will connect the two inputs and feedback to this outputs. So this is the conversion diagram, and this is called required flip flop. So this is represents required flip flop. The required flip flop, understand? So right now I want to write the truth table of D flip flop and the excitation table of RS flip flop. So everything is like that only. Okay, what you are the required flip flop, so you want to write the required flip flop truth table as well as given flip flop excited table. So using that table you want to draw the you want to derive the conversion table by RS to D flip flop. Okay, so right now I'll move to next page. Okay, see I'll write here the truth table, the truth table of D flip flop as well as excite excitation table of RS flop. Okay, excitation table of RS flip flop. First write truth table of D flip flop. Truth table of D flip flop. So here input is data, input and present state and next state. Next state. What is the input line? D line, and present input is Qn, and present state is Qn, and next state is Qn plus 1. So that is nothing but past output as well as present output. So simply write only the possibilities are two possibilities. Why? Because we don't know the present state. So simply take the present state is 0 1. So that's why you will take 2 times 0 and 2 times 1 is the possible values of D input, and this is a simply write 0 1 and 0 1 because we don't know. So output present state, so that's why you want to write that is a 0 or either 1, whatever it may be. So from D is 0, and what is the next inputs? Next input simply these are 0 0 reset condition and 1 1 set condition. So this is a reset condition and set condition. Similarly, what is the excitation table of RS flip flop? Okay, I want to write excitation table for RS flip flop. So simply write that this is a Qn present state, and these are the next state Qn plus 1, and simply take R and S values. So you already written, only you will take the two combinations. Why? Because the input of D is only two combinations. So that's why either 0 0 1 1 combination you need write, no problem. So in 0 0 1 combination you will get the output is simply 0 1. Sorry, in the next output is for excitation table 0 0 1 1 you will consider 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So in this situation you will get X value, R value is 0 and S value is 0. R is don't care condition, 0 1 1 0, and simply take 0. So this is the this is a don't care condition. So this is the actually excited table, excitation table of RS flip flop. So using the truth table as well as excitation table, using the truth table, excitation table, I'll write the conversion table for SR to D flip flop. So using this only. Okay. So I'll write here the next page. I'll write conversion table. Conversion table for RS flip flop to D flip flop. Okay, conversion table for RS flip flop to D flip flop. So simply take the D value here, and the present state is Qn. Okay, and the next state is Qn plus 1, and take the inputs, take the outputs R and S. Okay, so these are the excitation tables. So you will write D input is 0 0 1 1, only two combinations. You don't know the combination, simply you don't know the combination, so simply you will take this is a 0 1 and 0 1 because you don't know the present state. So what about the next state? Next state is simply 0 0 1 1. Why? Because you will already write this table by using truth table only. Okay, so right now from these two states what will be the R and S value? So comparison of present state and next state, you will write the present, you will write the output R and S. Okay, so simply if 0 0, what is the excitation table for Qn, and Qn plus is 0 0, then simply R is equal to undetermined, R is equal to don't care condition, S is equal to 0. So what about 1 0 combination? And see, 1 0 combination you will get only 1 0, and 0 1 combination you will get 0 1 only. And what about 1 1? At the case as R is equal to 0, X is don't care. So this is the actual truth table of, okay, actual truth table of, so this is the conversion table, not truth table, conversion table of RS flip flop to D flip flop. Understand? So this is the conversion table of RS flip-flop to D flip-flop. Okay, so right now I want to I want to express the output terms of R and S by using column maps. So by using K maps, okay, what is the R value by using K maps? To find out the to find out the Boolean expression. Boolean expression. Okay. So in Boolean expression, R value is simply write R is equal to, see here how you will take the corner map means, see, simply you will get this is the corner map direction. Okay. So you will write here Qn value and downwards you will write D value. So D value takes input 0, 1 only, and Qn is also you will get 0, 1 only. Okay. So 0, 1. So both are 0, then Qn and D, see both are 0, then your R value is not, don't care condition. Okay. And if both 0, 1, if 0, 1, if R value is only 1, so simply take this is 1. Okay. If both D is equal to 1 and Qn is equal to 0, D 1, 0, at the time your R value is 0, and both are 1, 1, R value is simply 0. So you have only one possibility, so that is called, this is the only one possibility. So from using this possibility you will write R is equal to, this is a actually Qn bar. Okay, so this is called nothing but D bar. R value is represented by Boolean expression, this is D bar. And similarly for S also, similarly for S, so S is equal to, you will write only D value. So these two are Boolean expressions of this conversion table by using column maps. So I want to right now I want to derive, I want to draw the required circuit diagram. Okay, so here we obtained the expressions, here we obtained the expressions R is equal to D bar and S is equal to D. Okay, so using that two equations, so simply we will draw the logic circuit. Okay, so this is the given SR flip flop, given RS flip flop. Okay, and simply this is the S terminal and this is the R terminal. Okay, and this is the clock pulse. Okay, so here only one terminal, D terminal, so simply take this D terminal is directly connected to S, and you have to use one NOT gate here to connect R flip-flop. Okay, so you will get, finally this is a Qn and you will get Qn bar. Okay, see here, if D is equal to 0, then R will be connected D bar. D bar means it is a complementary. And by using this truth table, I designed this block diagram. See, S is equal to D means D is directly connected to S. So using the NOR gate function, you can represent. So this is nothing but, see here. So this part is nothing but, conversion loop. So this part is nothing but conversion loop. Okay, and the entire block diagram is nothing but required D flip flop. So the entire thing is nothing but required D flip flop. Okay, so I using RS flip SR flip RS flip flop only. By the conversion table we design this all these things. So from the designing you will get a D flip flop. By using RS flip flop you will convert this is into a D flip flop. So these are the required outputs. Okay, so this is nothing but D flip flop. Understand everybody? So this is the topic from conversion tables. So everybody I think understand. So please read properly, and I think your syllabus is completed. Okay, so I'll already posted important questions to everyone. So please prepare well, and finally you'll get good result. Okay, thank you very much.